All right, guys, here we are at ClevelandMoto. We've got another unboxing video for you. We have got the brand new Piaggio BV400s. This is an important bike. This is something we've been waiting on for a long time. We have had customers pre-order this machine. It's very exciting. The BV350, we've had that out for a while. BV350 has been a great bike. I rode one through Mexico. I just really enjoy the bike. But this BV400 is a little different. 35 horsepower. This is not messing around. It's a very powerful machine. This machine is designed for touring. It's going to come with a factory windshield. And what I think is really cool about this bike is it also has what they call their Piaggio MIA or MIA entertainment system, and that's going to Bluetooth with your phone. It'll have features like Find My Bike. There's another one that actually will, when you get off your bike, it'll leave the headlights on for a given period of time so that you can get in your house and have the lighting from your headlights showing you the way in your home. Now, this is going to be available in 3 colors for you. This is the Arancillo Sunset Orange, and I mean, you guys know I love orange, and I love this color. This thing is beautiful. Really, really neat. If you loved the BV350, you're going to love the BV400. I love the James Bond rear fender, the rear bumper. Just one of these things people don't understand. That's actually a safety device. If the car comes up behind you and nerfs your back tire, he's not going to knock you off the machine. And just gorgeous. Big chubby tires, absolutely ready to rock and roll. Big, big fun. Love the new headlight. So the new headset assembly is beautiful. Really, I mean, just looking at this thing, they have spared no expense. This bike is gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Keyless operation too, so there's no more keyhole in here. If you want to swing the camera around, check it out. Here we have no keyhole. It's literally just key fob only. So very neat, very cool. Absolutely digging this bike. Very neat. What we're going to do is we're going to go inside. We're going to go ahead and prep the bike. We'll take you through. I'll show you the navigation display. I'll show you what they call, the command center. They call a navigation bridge up here because this is all LCD. Very, very cool bike. Lots of neat features. And this is a $71.99. So the price is the same as like your Vespa GTS 300. So 400cc bike here. It's quite a value. All right, give me a second. We'll see you inside. All right, guys, as promised, we're inside with the BV400s, brand new from Piaggio 2022. We've got the 2021 BV350 right here. This will give you an opportunity to kind of compare the front ends of the two vehicles, kind of maybe take a look at the parts of the bike that are different between the two, because there are, they're the same family, but there are a lot of differences. The biggest one for us here is the aesthetic, obviously, and that big motor, that 35 horsepower is a lot more power. In Europe, though, this one's Euro 5 compliant, that one's Euro 4 compliant. So that makes a big deal for them, getting up to the freshest emissions standards. So one of the things I wanted to bring up and show everybody, the bike itself, a lot of really cool features, a lot of neat stuff, but a lot of it is still the same. So even we have this 35 horsepower motor, we're still running the single disc that we were running before. It's anti-lock brakes, it's traction control. The lighting is fantastic, and I mean, it is fantastic. Everything about this bike is absolutely top shelf. Whether you're 5'4" or 6'4", it really doesn't matter. These are very, very comfortable machines, and they are very comfortable machines. What's going to be different, though, for the user is that right now we no longer have our traditional scooter keys. So now we have the keyless. We have a big key fob right here, and the key fob has some number of different features on it. The one that you're going to probably be using the most will be hit the button, and that'll open up the underseat storage area. You press and hold that and open it up, and you can see the underseat storage area in here is huge. And for the American market, they got rid of that ridiculous evap canister that was in here taking up all your storage. Battery is in the same location it was on the American model last year. So our battery location in the front, also your toolkit is right here. This little cover comes off and gets access to your toolkit. Very simple, and if you take that off, you have access to your battery, fuses, and other items like that. We put a battery tender lead on all of our bikes. That's what this is right here. Good under-seat lighting and excellent spring to keep this from coming down and hitting you in the head. Very cool. Okay. Room in here if you did want to put a seat cover in for wet weather. You could put a seat cover in there, no problem. This customer did specify the color match top case. We ordered that in from him. And you will notice that the back pad matches the seat perfectly. This multi-texture with the cool orange stitching matches beautifully between the top case and the regular pad. Now, of course, if you do the top case, you're going to get 2 separate keys for the top case. Now, the bike comes with the key fob with 1 single key fob, and it also comes with this key right here. If you need to open up the seat, if their battery's dead, on the other bikes, we would have a little hidden release inside the glove box to open the seat. On this bike, up under the rear fender, you'll see a keyhole, and this is where you put the key to mechanically operate the seat if you were to have a dead battery or no battery in the bike, or maybe you're prepping the bike for the first time. This key, when they shipped the bikes out, we found these keys were in that keyhole already, kind of a reminder. That's where you go to open up the seat. Now, on the bike itself, if you are not within proximity, or if you're not within close proximity, what's going to happen is nothing's going to happen when you turn this on. But if you are within proximity, you're going to press the button straight in, and it's just going to go on. You'll see the Piaggio word light up. Turn it 1 click to the right into the on position, and now you see your display. A little note for people that when you're going ahead and you're setting these bikes up, let's go ahead and remember that when you need to change your time, or when you need to change your centigrade to Fahrenheit, and you need to change from miles to kilometers, it's very easy to do. You're going to be pressing and holding the mode button when you turn the key on. You'll see things flashing. Let go of the mode button. Get it to the one that you want solid, not flashing, but the one that you want is solid, and then press and hold that for 2 seconds, 1,000, 2,000. Don't hold it for 5 seconds. It will go back into a reset mode. You'll have to start all over again. It's not 1 second. It's not 5 seconds, it's 2 seconds. 1,000, 2,000, let go. A lot of the Piaggio bikes work that way. It can be very confusing. ASR, that's our Antriebsstellungsregelung, and that is our ABS system, and that works right here on the button. If we want to go ahead and turn the traction control system on or off, we're just going to use that button. Very simple. Want to mechanically open the seat, we're going to press that button. That's going to open the seat. If we want to open the fuel door, we're going to press that button. It's going to mechanically open the fuel door. I've never seen these features so easy, right where you can get to them. The BV400s really has nailed it as far as user functionality. When you turn this bike on, it will want to pair to your phone. If you have never paired this to your phone, it's very simple. There's a button right here on the dashboard. That button has a picture of a phone on it. Go figure. Press and hold that button while you're turning the key on. That will send the Bluetooth signal out. Your phone will find it. Download the latest Piaggio app. It works very easily. I've not had any problem setting these up. It's quite easy. It will ask you a lot of information. You can put everything in there, like the VIN of your bike. You can put when you had your last service done. It will remind you when services are ready or necessary. It'll take you through many screens, like your top speed, your average speed, your lean angle, your accelerometer. It'll also have a locate my bike feature. That's all in the app, and the app is free on this machine. When you turn the bike on, you are going to see the flashing ABS light. The flashing ABS light, you're going to see the flashing ASR. That's going to tell you that until the bike is going 3 miles per hour, it's still looking for more data. So those two are going to be on, and then as soon as you get to 3 miles per hour, those are going to go off. What can the bike do with the app? Well, if you're playing music through your headphones, or you're playing music through your device, and you've got your device up here on a RAM mount or something, hitting this button will pause your music. It can also take you back to the start of your song you're on, or it can take you to the next song. So those are the things that can be done very easily through this button. There's a display right here. Will also alert you when you've gotten a text. So that might, if you're waiting for a phone call or a text to come in, a little alert will show you that you've had one right there. Very simple. I mean, I know there's quite a bit going on, but it is quite easy to operate. Excellent job laying this all out. I'm very happy with the way it worked out. It's very cool. What we can tell you is the excitement over this bike has been dramatic. We've had a number of customers pre-order this machine, and at that $71.99 price point, it's exactly the same as a Vespa GTS 300, but you're getting a 400cc bike. That's pretty cool. So I really think they've nailed it. If you have any questions about this, you can get in touch with me, phil@clevelandmoto.com. I'll answer any questions you might have about the BV400s. If you're interested in getting one ordered, let us know. We really are fond of the bike. We think everything that Piaggio's done with this has been excellent. So we don't blame you if you're interested and you want to know more. That's Phil at ClevelandMoto.com. And please remember to ride fast, take chances.